Morning, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. And today, for breakfast, I'm making something very different you might never have thought of. Now, yes, it is the morning, and yes, I'm still in my pajama pants. But that doesn't matter right now. What matters is what I'm going to be making this morning. Have you ever thought of what to do with your mother's hostas? Don't tell my mom I went into her garden, okay? No, it's fine. She was there when I picked them. I give you the humble hosta. Yes, this is a hosta shoot. Now, you basically cook these up just like asparagus, and they are delicious. I tried it for the first time last year, and this year as they were coming up, I was keeping an eye on them just to make sure they were just at the right size and tightly wrapped, just like an asparagus. So I'm gonna make these with my eggs this morning. First things first, what you want to do is get your oil heating up in the pan. So we're going to be putting these in some lemon aggramato olive oil. Just give it some beautiful fresh flavor. So the real trick to these is that you want to make sure they get really nice and bright green, as you've seen so far in the video. And they get that beautiful color. That's when you know they're almost ready and they're almost done. It smells so good with the lemon olive oil. Oh man. Ooh. A little salt and pepper brings out even more of the flavor. For a little extra flavor, I'm just adding some fresh chives from the garden. So it's almost a farm-to-table breakfast this morning. Now for the egg, I'm keeping the lemon flavor going with our Milanese GREMOLATA infused olive oil. So again, this is a mix of lemon, parsley, garlic, and just a hint of mint. It looks beautiful. But just to give a little extra flavor to these hostas, I'm just adding a little quick drizzle of our Neapolitan herb dark balsamic. And let's try one. So fresh. You get the nice lemon, you get all the herbs and the balsamic there. As a side for the egg, I'm excited for this breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's something a little unconventional. Maybe you didn't know that hostas are edible, but they definitely are. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Center.
You're not centered, but you're in frame on the right hand side.